Today we're at 1454 Progreston Rd in Carlisle. This place, hang on.
What?
Nature. Huh? Right?
This is a 3-bedroom bungalow, completely redone on an acre lot.
When the homeowners bought this house several years ago, it was actually practically unlivable. They've gutted it to the studs, they've bumped out walls, created more square footage, including this glass sunroom. It's beautiful, it has all kinds of features in it. You're gonna want to take a look out there.
This kitchen has all sorts of awesome storage options, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and let's not forget, because we're on natural gas here, you get this awesome gas stove.
During the renovation, the owners took the small original windows, turned them into these large, beautiful windows, so you've got amazing views throughout the entire house.
Sitting in this jetted tub is like bathing in the rainforests.
And downstairs we have a place to close all your deals, a cozy area for family and friends, a bedroom, a bathroom, polished concrete floors. What more could you need? Come get lost in the forest with us.
The cool thing about this property is that the owners have preserved the natural landscapes and incorporated it into the design.
And if you really, really want, you can put a pool right here.
This amazing pergola was actually built from the wood from the original deck.